my name is Martin and I work in the support and repair department. And today we show you how you can calibrate the two analog outputs using our gas warning controller, the DGC-06. For the calibration itself, you can use either the integrated display of our GC06, or if you want to perform the calibration with a tool, then you have to use the PCE06. In addition, you will also need an electricity measuring device to measure the current of the analog output. And now we show you how you can perform the calibration.
Please service our gas detectors at regular intervals. This is the only way we can guarantee accurate measurement results. Calibration is important, otherwise there may be deviations between the digital measured value and the analog output. To do this, we open the device by loosening all 4 screws and carefully lifting off the cover. Now we remove the resistor if present and instead connect the test probes of the multimeter to the analog output and to ground. The controller's 2 analog outputs are located on X12 7 and 8 terminal. The X11 4 terminal can be used for the ground. Now we need the tool PCE06, which has several connectors. We connect the USB plug to our laptop and the RS485 plug to the DGC06 or 7. If the device is in good working order, the multimeter should display approximately 4 mA, but this may vary depending on the sensor type and the configuration of the analog output. Now open the application on the PC that is stored in the internal memory of the tool. In the Open application, you can then connect to the tool in the upper left corner by selecting the correct COM port. After that, all windows with the parameter settings and the measured values of the sensors appear. To get started, you must first activate Special Mode and then open the calibration menu. The first page of the menu displays the area for the report data. The data must be filled in to access the next pages. However, the report is only relevant for calibrating the sensors and not for calibrating the analog output, so any data can be entered here. To calibrate the analog output, go to the Analog Output Calibration submenu. To make sure that the correct analog output has been selected, an AO test can be carried out. In this case, we have connected our multimeter to clamp 6 AO1. Calibrate the analog output by clicking on the Step 1 display button. The menu and the multimeter now display approximately 20 mA. Now click on the Step 2 Calculate button and use the arrow keys to set the analog output to 20 mA. Click on Step 3 Save to save the process, and the multimeter and menu display should show approximately 4 mA. For the second analog output, repeat the process as just shown. Beforehand, however, the analog output 2 must be selected and the multimeter must be switched to the second analog output instead of the first, terminal X12 8. After that, close the calibration window, deactivate special mode and close the application on your laptop. Then remove the multimeter and the connector for the PCE06, and if it was already in place before, reinsert the resistor. Now you can close the lid again and tighten the screws.
We hope that we have been able to help you with this video, and for more how-to videos, just visit our YouTube channel.